If you've got a list of ASINs, UPCs, ISBNs, or even just product names, reverse search in Tactical Arbitrage helps you find out where those products are being sold online and whether they're priced low enough to resell for a profit. It works like the reverse of Product Finder. Instead of starting with a store and scanning for profitable products, you start with the product itself, and Tactical Arbitrage looks across supported retail sites to find sourcing options. This tutorial focuses on the products mode that is built for working with ASINs, UPCs, ISBNs, and keywords. To get started, from your homepage, click on the reverse search option on the left side of your screen. Then click Find Products in the top right corner. Select your search type, then click Next Step. Choose Products to be searched by product codes or keywords. This products mode gives you two ways to input your data: paste in a list of product codes or use keywords to search by product title. If you've already got ASINs, UPCs, or ISBNs, select specific codes and paste them directly into the field, up to 100 product codes at a time. Click the plus button to add them to your scan. For larger lists, use the Upload feature. Click Use or Upload a List, and a pop-up will appear. From there, you can drag and drop a file in CSV, Excel, or XML format, or import straight from Google Drive. Make sure your file includes a single column of product codes. You can upload up to 25,000 rows at once. To search by product names instead of codes, switch to the Keyword Search tab. Choose a category, enter keywords like TV or wireless earbuds, then click the plus button to add them. Then, before starting your search, you can customize a few settings to better match your sourcing strategy. Start by clicking Price Adjustment to factor in things like shipping costs, taxes, or cashback offers. And click Choose Websites to include or exclude specific retailers based on your preferences. You can also add more filters to narrow down your results even further. These optional tweaks help make sure your scan is aligned with your business goals. Once your list is ready and your filters are set, you can optionally add a scan name. This helps you find it more easily later. Then click Start Search. When the scan is complete, head to the results page to analyze the matches, apply additional filters, and save the leads that look promising.